Hello, welcome to Solar Dash, our quadricle dummy dashboard with, or rather, the demo dashboard with dummy data is what I meant to say. This helps you see how you can continue to increase yield through your entire portfolio and monitor it in real time so you can see exactly how you're increasing generation while you're monitoring in real time. Let's get started. With the summary view. As you can see, we're in our dummy portfolio here. We have, the 3 plants on it that we're working with, and all the, and all their operating metrics from the past to the present to the future are on here, and you can see exactly how many open alerts there are, what the actual energy being generated is, to the actual value, the contracted value, and what your losses are, right? From here we can go again, as I said, into the you can compare all of these with in the past, again at a particular time, at the same time you can go into the future on a specific future date and find the predicted energy that you're going to expect to see on a future date. From here, let's move on to the overview, where again, we're looking at our plant in Tanzania, which you can see exactly how things are going for that particular plant, it's sort of what the energy generation is over time, and we can continually check between actual versus contracted versus what the expected PV system numbers were. And exactly how you're doing. And this is sort of giving you the breadth of the kind of monitoring capabilities that we have, and with the energy. And then we can go, deeply into the heat map as well. Lastly, we can do that for the entire plant, or we can go granular. Let's go into, Africa today and into Kenya. We can go into the block, block 1, what inverters are doing in each one. Next, let's pop into the operations page, where this is where we get into Quadricle's depth, the sort of the condition-based maintenance that we do by giving you revenue prioritized tickets. We have you working on the 20% that affects 80% of your revenue. What is really hitting your bottom line the most? Let's go fix that first, and can continue to do it step by step, fixing those. We can go into the we can tell here that the possible failure is a seasonal string, block 10, and it was last updated, and how many days the problem has happened, and what your grand loss is along with your daily loss. These are the ways. This is where we help you actually increase generation by reducing the small leakages that continually drag away at the profits in your plant that you've spent so much time taking care of. Again, we can go into each ticket and assign them to someone in O&M to work with them. Then they can go in and say, okay, this was what the problem was. We fixed it. This is what we've done with it. It's an all-in-one sort of automatic solution. And really, we want to move everyone from reactive guidance to predictive guidance for all the different meter types, right? And once the issue is actually fixed, it automatically gets removed by the system, and then you can see the yield going back up again. And any of these tables here show sort of all the main issues, getting very granular, and this is what we do better than anybody else, right? And look at aging and lost metrics against each ticket. And clicking open on any of these opens sort of the ops views, and you can see exactly who this is assigned to, and in the which O&M field member, and then they can actually go back and provide feedback against each ticket, and that allows the system to keep on learning and getting stronger. Moving on to meter data. This sort of the chart graphs sort of multiple meters and data points, like current voltage, meter capacity, DC power, etc. At every node level, you can, again, the same way, using these click-throughs, use, at the block level, inverter level, SCB string of the plant. And we can keep checking on, personalizing what that plant is capable of producing and comparing to that, but also to the global readings of the weather and actuals. And that allows for sort of, very flexible kinds of reporting at any node level of the plant that you want, and focus on the KPIs that you're interested in. Last, we've got the finance page as well, but we'll have to, let you call us for a demo, and where you can, your finance team is happy at looking at the numbers continually increasing in the plants. Thanks.